Welcome, today in front of me Realme C25Y, and I'll show you how to enable the ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and go here to the sound section. Right now you can see that our ringtone volume is turned off. Just to turn it on, swipe with the finger to the right side by this way. And as can you hear, right now our ringtone volume is set up. So we got also the second way. I'll show you. Just press here your one from volume buttons and just go here to the settings icon and swipe by the same way here to the right side with your finger and tap to down. So that's it. That's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.